Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get an advanced glider quickly. We'll cover the essential steps and strategies to accelerate your progress in the world of soaring. Whether you are just starting or looking to upgrade your skills, this guide will provide clear, actionable advice. We aim to help you achieve your advanced glider rating efficiently, focusing on practical methods and effective training. Let's dive right into the details and get you soaring higher, faster. Before aiming for an advanced glider, you must first secure your basic glider pilot certificate. This foundational step ensures you have a solid understanding of flight principles and safety. You should also accumulate a minimum of 50 hours of total glider flight time, building crucial experience. Mastering fundamental soaring techniques, including thermaling and ridge soaring, along with emergency procedures, is absolutely essential for your next steps. Once crossplay is enabled, inviting friends is simple using RAF's room code system. The player hosting the game should create a new world, ensuring the crossplay box is checked. A unique code, typically 6 characters long, will be generated. Share this code with your friends, who can then enter it in their Join World menu to quickly connect and start your shared survival journey. Once you achieve your advanced glider rating, maintaining proficiency is key. Join a local soaring club. These communities offer invaluable support, shared knowledge, and opportunities for continuous learning. Consider participating in glider competitions to challenge your abilities and gain experience under pressure. Always stay updated on new glider technology, aerodynamic advancements, and evolving safety protocols to ensure you remain a skilled and safe pilot.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.